you know, before the show. I was wearing your color. Everybody came up to me. I think I sold 4 of these already, okay? So here is, and don't worry, we got the top coming up. Here is the Quacker Factory Angels go-to stretch velvet joggers. Okay, on a sale price. They are so cute. First day low sale price. Price will go up at the end of the day. And then the matching top is going to be coming up next. All right, come on in. Angels Medley, brand ambassador. I miss you.
I miss you too. Mwah.
You wore what I was wearing earlier, and people are obsessed with these.
It's amazing.
They are literally dropping, and they're like, okay, Nancy, I'm ordering these. Okay, so the joggers first, and then we'll go to the top.
Okay.
The joggers are 28 inches, 95 poly 5 span, extra small 5X. You look adorable. The top has some bling bling. Yeah. It's as bright and fun as the diamonds that I'm wearing, okay? Look at how cute that is, and there's the matching top.
I think we also have short in these.
Oh, you do?
We have short.
Yeah, short and regular. Okay, here it is, 28 inches. We have it in the beautiful wine, which is my beautiful friend wearing, Angel. Welcome back, I missed you.
Thank you.
Here is the teal.
That you're wearing
which I like grabbed quickly. I'm like, okay, I better put this one on so we could see the teal. And then hello black. And then can I just bring the tops to show you how gorgeous these sets are? Okay, should we show them all 3 colors? Here we go. All right, Angels Medley.
Okay, so this is, so I actually requested this style because I was like,
is this yours, Angels? Go-to jogger?
Well, yeah, the design team named it after me. I was so excited. Yay, 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 yay. So this was something I requested. I said, we need more, you know, lounge wear. We need more comfortable outfits because in the wintertime, we want to snuggle in, and whether we're watching a football game or whether we're binge watching the newest show on whatever, or whether, you know, whatever it is, you want something comfortable. So these are pull-on elastic waist, functioning front pockets. The jogger, you know, it's a little shorter, 28 inches on the regular, I believe 25 and a half on the short, right? So it's gonna just pull and hang around your ankle region. My shoes, by the way, I got from our sister channel, HSN.
Oh, they're cute.
I know, I love them so much.
Oh my goodness, with the black?
So with the black, I know. I know. I didn't want to wear black again.
Yeah.
My customers are always like, Angel, stop wearing so much black. So I wore wine for you tonight. But this is 95% polyester, 5% spandex. So it has stretch. It is luxurious. It feels amazing. Now I will tell you, I went up a size in the top because that's how I like mine to fit.
Yeah.
I want them to be roomy. So if we're out of your size in the top, you could always go up just for a little bit more room and comfort. But the pants, I stuck to my true size, the 1X.
Yeah?
Regular.
I gotta tell you, I actually wore extra small in the pants.
Okay.
Okay. I thought I loved the extra small, which is what I usually wear, but I kind of wanted it just a little bit more baggy.
Right?
I love it.
For the lounging, it's amazing.
Hello, Crystal, my friend. Okay, Crystal has the black on.
Yes, and Crystal is 5'3".
Yep.
She wears our size medium, and she's wearing the short inseam.
I love
so
that.
you're wearing, how tall are you?
I'm 5'7", so I'm wearing the regular.
And you are wearing the extra small in the pant.
I'm wearing extra small in the pant and extra small in the top.
Okay, I'm 5'8". I'm wearing the 1X in the regular length in the wine. So, you know, listen.
I love a good set, Angel. This is your, like, everyday outfit. You don't have to think outfit.
Right.
This is your travel outfit.
Yes.
And let me tell you, can we just go tight on this? Because the top is coming up, but you have to see how special this top is. This is a set. Do you see this? And then you could see my earring. They are the cutest bling bling ties that I was walking around, and do you see this? People were like stopping me. I said, Nancy, what are you wearing? I said, Quacker Factory, it's coming up. They're like, this is so cute. I'm picking it up. I think I sold 4 before we started the show.
Well, thank you. Thank you very, very much. Yes, the pants are super comfortable.
Yeah.
I have to tell you, you are going to reach for these over and over again. One of our Quacker friends, Marianne, has 2 sets in each color, because she knows she's going to wear it very often.
Well, girl,
and I have 2 sets
earlier.
in the black.
I'm going to show you how cute this is.
And I'm thinking about going back for a 3rd. I really have been thinking about it.
This is what I wore before. Walked around and everybody stopped me. I'm not even kidding. There's somebody in Talent Service Center and they're like, what is that? And then who else said it? Rachel Bosing, before she did the TSV.
She loves bling. Our Rachel loves a little bling.
Literally, so here is the beautiful wine. Here is wine. And then the top's coming up, and the top is on sale, which
Yeah.
is so exciting. Here is wine. And then Crystal has the black, and I have to show them the set because this top is what is doing it for me right here. The bling bling, getting limited in the black. So let's start right here because we're gonna do the tops next.
These are
and
amazing.
then finally we have the teal, and it's a good set right
Nice
there.
stretch, great feel, luxurious.
Do more of these.
Yes,
please.
I agree.
Yeah,
Luxurious.
thank you for creating this. This is Angel's go-to stretch velvet joggers, and Crystal has the black, and she has the short, which is great. So it comes